Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is ratio and proportion. So this is an introduction video. In this I'll cover all the topics related to this chapter so that it will be helpful for you while solving your exercises. Now our chapter name is ratio and proportion. So let's first leave this proportion part and focus on ratio. So what is ratio? If we go through the definition, ratio is the comparison of a quantity with respect to another quantity. So what is ratio? Ratio is basically comparison, and ratio is denoted with the sign this. Now suppose you are having a question. There are two students A and B, and their weight is A weighs 20 kg and B weighs 30 kg. Now you are asked to find out the ratio of A to B. A to B. So the ratio of A and B will be 20 ratio 30. We also write it as 20 upon 30, and you can simplify it further. 10 2s are 10 3s are. So the ratio of A to the B is 2 ratio 3. So this is the way how we do comparison with the help of ratios. Now one more thing you need to keep in your mind. Suppose you are having two things. One is 10 centimeter long and other is 2 meter long. Suppose this is A. The length of A is 10 centimeter and the length of B is 2 meter. And it is asking the ratio of A to B. Now before taking out its ratio, we have to make sure that is the units behind them are same. But here the units are different. The unit for A is in centimeter and for B it is in meter. So first thing we will do is we will convert both in same units. Let's convert this 2 meter into centimeter. As you know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter will be equal to 2 into 100, that is 200 centimeter. Now B will be, the value of B is 200 centimeter. Now you have to find ratio of A to the B. So A ratio B, the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 200, that is 10 upon 200. You can cut it with the table of 10. 10 ones are 10 to the 20 and 0. So your answer is 1 ratio 20. Now if your question is like this, the ratio of A to total value of A and B. So you have to find out ratio of A ratio A plus B, that is A upon A plus B. So the value of A here is 10 centimeter. 10 upon the value of A is 10 plus the value of B is 200. So when you will add this 10 upon 210, so 0 0 will be cancelled out. So the ratio of A to the total is 1 ratio 21. What is proportion? Two ratios are equal, then we say that they are in proportion. Let's see it with an example. Suppose you are having a ratio 2 ratio 4 and a ratio 20 ratio 40. So these both ratios are equal, so that we can say that these are in proportion. So the sign of proportion is this. It means equal, equivalent. So here 2 upon 4 is equals to 20 upon 40. How? When we will simplify this 20 upon 40, we will get it as 2 upon 4 is equals to 2 upon 4. So the ratio 2:4 and 20:4 are in proportion. So last topic of your chapter is unitary method. Let's understand this with an example. So unitary method is that in this first we find the value of 1 unit, then we find the value of required numbers. Let's see example. Suppose you are having a question that is cost of 6 balls is rupees 30 and you are asked in question to find cost of 20 balls. So with the use of unitary method we'll find out the cost of 20 balls. What we do in unitary method, we find out the cost of 1 unit. So 1 unit here is 1 ball. So cost of 1 ball will be rupees 30 divided by 6, as 6 balls cost is 30, so 1 ball cost rupees 5. Now we have to find out the cost of 20 balls. So cost of 20 balls will be equal to 20 into cost of 1 ball. So 20 into cost of 1 ball is rupees 5. So rupees 5. When we'll multiply this, you will get 100. That is rupees 100 is the cost of 20 balls. Now let's have a small recap. What we have studied in this chapter. First thing we studied is ratio. Ratio is the comparison between two values and we denote ratio with this sign. And second we studied proportion. Proportion means when two ratios are equal. When two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion. Example 2:4 and 6:12. So when you will simplify these ratio, you will get 2 upon 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, and 6 upon 12 is 6 ones are 6 twos are. So on simplifying these ratios, we get 1 upon 2 proportion to 1 upon 2, or you can put sign of equal also, as proportion means equal. Now last what we studied was unitary method. What is unitary method? In unitary method, first we find out the cost of 1 unit and after that we multiplied with the number of required units. So I hope this was clear to you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.